Welcome to Pluralsight and this Red Team Tools course featuring BloodHound, the open source discovery tool developed and maintained by Waldo, Captain Jesus, and Harmjoy. BloodHound is a tool that leverages the power of graphs to let you visualize a domain. With it, as an attacker, you'll be able to find paths to your objectives. How do I get to domain admin from the computer I just compromised? What user account should I compromise next? These are questions that BloodHound will help you answer with ease. In short, it makes me feel superhuman when assessing an Active Directory domain. Bloodhounds are dogs bred for hunting and tracking people. BloodHound for AD is essentially the same, but for Active Directory. Come and join me as we discover BloodHound and attack a demo Active Directory with it.